What I see these days is people are doing things, people are, they have their opinion, but that opinion has very little foundation to it. Okay. I have heard statements like, so what if I can't sing well or play well? I have a right to make music. Wait, hold on.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Bira, and today we are recording the episode 13 of Mitrabhed, and this episode is quite huge because as you can see the background is completely different, the area is completely different because इतना गंदा और बकवास लॉकडाउन के बाद मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स लोग के साथ फाइनली एक लाइव पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड कर पा रहा है. And I am blessed with this recording because I am at One Stop Music Studios with my friend Amaya and Harshad and Kaustubh. And today we are going to discuss a lot of stuff with them. So please stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Firstly, I want to ask Amaya that I just want to know when exactly One Stop Music Studio started.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be a part of Mitrabhed. Brilliant stuff happening, and yeah, you said a really right thing in the beginning that it's been a very long time since people have been meeting other people. So One Stop Music started as a place for musicians to meet and be musicians.
Okay.
Back in 2013. एब्सोल्युटली मेरे मन में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था कि ये कमर्शियल स्टूडियो बनेगा जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आके रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और वो रिकॉर्डिंग करने के लिए हमें पे करेंगे, बिकॉज इट बिगैन एज अ प्लेस फॉर मी and my friends to record our music and for my band at the time to record music. And since we set it up to be a pro quality full-fledged studio, even with that purpose in mind, my parents thought, well, maybe you can allow other people to come in and record and maybe you can make a sort of a business out of it. So I said, yeah, but the basic vibe is the same. Creative people coming together and making a lot of music.
Okay. So actually start ऐसे हुआ था कि you just casually wanted to record yourself and your friends like that. And then eventually you started making like people to come and they can pay and also
and they love the place. They love the vibe of the place.
But obviously the place is to be loved because look at the ambience, man. It is so awesome. People can literally chill out for hours and hours. No doubt. Moving ahead, I am so binge watching you from past 2-3 days because of your music and I love it, honestly.
Thank you so much.
It is so awesome that I just love the concept of fusing two exactly I can say the north and south pole of music, to be honest, because what I feel ki fusing folk music like the classical Indian classical music to the rock music is so tough, and lyrics which you are using, trust me. First of all, tell me how is it possible, like how you made it possible, because whatever it is coming out, it is simply awesome. So can you tell how you came up with this idea?
Actually, my gurus made it possible because I am trained in the Kirana Gharana, which is a very famous gharana in Hindustani classical music. So I am trained under Shri Girish Sansgiri. He is my direct teacher. I trained with him personally. And the other gurus are obviously the Beatles, Elvis Presley, Deep Purple, and all of the lovely artists that you listen to. These are all in rock. When it comes to blues, we have B.B. King, we have Eric Clapton, we have jazz greats, Miles Davis, and more recent ones, we have Nora Jones. We have greats from Western classical music, Bach, Mozart, Beethoven, and everybody. So what that did for me is it opened up a whole new world of music. Typically in our country and also in some parts of Asia even, the listening culture was very limited back in the day. Now things have changed a lot and people are just exposed to more and more stuff. So the listening culture has been, or rather it was pretty limited at the time. But then once the internet came along and once you could start exploring more, you just opened up to a whole new level of music. And then musicality, the concepts of musicality, although they are a little different, the crux is the same. So when you fuse two things together, the idea is to create a good blend, a very lovely, healthy blend. It's not about pitting one genre against another and making them clash. They should complement each other.
Yeah, exactly.
So-
And that's what I observe, because while even thinking this whole concept, like combining classical music to rock, it sounds quite different and people might not assume it. But I honestly believe this fact that you have made it a melody, awesome melody, which someone can binge on. Someone can just look at and someone can listen hours and hours, honestly. Moving ahead, I just want to ask with these two people with me and two lovely people. First of all, I would like to talk with Kaustubh. Actually, I want to ask you that ki, what is your role in One Stop Music Studios and like what is your exactly work over here?
Okay, so it all started back in 2017. I joined One Stop Music Studio as a intern here. I always wanted to do sound engineering. I wanted to learn sound engineering and production, but on major I wanted to learn the technicalities of it. Back then I joined. We did not have course back then, and in the beginning I did not know much about it. So under Amay's guidance, there are many artists, as Amay said, there are musicians coming and going continuously. So I got in contact with many people, got to record them. So from intern, right now I'm a senior sound engineer here and also work as a producer here.
Pa, 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 pa.
But obviously, you deserve it. That's why he just did.
Thanks.
Yes. And moving towards Harshad, I want to know your journey of One Stop Music from the beginning.
Okay, first of all, I'm very honored कि lockdown के बाद you're doing your first big video and it's with us.
I am
So
blessed for that.
I guess we all feel very.
Yeah, we are really happy.
Totally.
Yeah. So speaking of my journey with OSM, so I never thought it would happen because I was doing a job in corporate sector and I left the job and then I was freelancing as a video editor. So when I was doing it at home, नहीं जम रहा था because for obvious reasons घर में काम करना
Disturbance.
you cannot concentrate. So I knew Kaustubh and we were doing a song earlier. वो नहीं हुआ कुछ reasons की वजह से, but then I knew कि Kaustubh works in this place and there is a place which it is very near from my house. So then I asked Kaustubh कि मैं आऊँ क्या, और मैं कुछ नहीं, मैं अपना साइड में बैठूंगा और अपना लैपटॉप लेके I won't disturb anyone, please मुझे काम करने के लिए जगह दे. So that's how it all happened and then one thing led to another and now you can call me as a, if you really want to know what I do here, you can say a video guy in OSM.
Nice.
Yeah,
He's way too humble
will,
for it.
Yeah, I will put it more fittingly. He handles the entire video department now. So, as I said, I told you how the studio started off. OSM basically tried many things earlier. So, we started off as a studio, then a jam room and a music academy. Like we used to teach people.
Okay.
But then, as the number of recordings grew and and a plethora of different artists started coming in, we did not have the time to teach people anymore.
Okay.
So we had to phase the academy out. When it comes to the jam room, you got a lot of time to think during this lockdown. No? That's one good thing that happened. I think that's the only good thing that happened.
Yeah, honestly.
You got a lot of time to think. So before the lockdown, this was a jam room where people could come, pay and jam or rehearse.
Yeah.
And then we looked at everything, and then we realized that we are putting in more effort, putting in more time, and putting in more money when it comes to the maintenance. When different people from God knows where, and wherever in the city or from wherever outside come and jam, and they don't necessarily use the equipment with the same respect that the equipment deserves.
Okay.
And then obviously now there is still a risk of infection, so we know each other and we know how hygienic we are or how we stay. No, and you can't really answer for all the people coming from different parts of the city or the state, because we had people coming from Pune too and people whom we did not know necessarily.
Exactly.
So then it became a big risk to keep the jam room open to everybody.
Yeah.
So now I come to where Harshad comes at the forefront, where Now this place is a complete audio video production space
Okay.
solution.
Okay.
So he heads the video department,
Okay.
and right from shooting and editing and doing all sorts of stuff
Mhm.
that you do, you name it and we have it here,
Okay.
even video wise.
Okay.
So this is where we are right now, and he heads the video department.
Okay. Actually, speaking about both of these, I just want to ask one question, which was like, what kind of change you have observed in both of them? Because this guy started from an intern, and this guy started from a laptop of himself, and now they are doing like huge scale things. And like, what changes you have observed in them? Because I am pretty sure there will be few maybe a small one.
when it comes to Kaustubh, he already had a knack for it. He understood things, although he didn't know. Yeah, he didn't know anything, to be honest.
Apart from being like IT engineer, I knew computer. That is all.
And so he has a knack for understanding how systems and how devices work and how hardware and software basically communicates and stuff. And he's always been a very good listener. That is very important. You know,
Mhm.
music sunna ya gana sunna is very important. And in English, I think we have these two very different terms where it is called hearing and listening.
Yeah.
Hearing is something that you may hear accidentally.
Yeah.
Listening is something where you pay attention and you listen to the sounds and the music. So he had that.
Mhm.
And now when I see him with what he's producing now, we'll come to that later. But now when I see him, my goodness, his graph, his trajectory of how he understands things and deals with things has skyrocketed, really.
Wow.
And I'm not even kidding here, or I'm not even being nice, because I am the most horrible person when it comes to criticizing people.
Yeah.
I've been told to tone down my criticism many times. But then what is he's just come a very, very long way from people treating him like a noob.
Mhm.
You know, hey, Kaustubh, na ha, theek hai.
Mhm.
From that, those same people, when they call him up and ask him for things, ki, yaar, ye kaise karu yaar? And I am just in the background, I said, yaar, here's your day of reckoning. And Harshad, he always, I learn from him, because I am a big zero when it comes to anything related to video. So he was always the top boss when it came to video. What I think has changed is, now he has more facilities. Now he has a better setup, and he has a space where he can come and go freely.
Mm.
I'll tell you one lovely thing that is worth mentioning here.
Mhm.
ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि I don't have the keys to the studio.
Okay.
I simply don't have them.
Okay.
Because all the sets of keys to the studio
Mhm.
are with these two many times.
Yes.
And then when I have to come to the studio, sometimes I have to ask, hey, Savi.
Can understand. Yeah. So, matlab, technically, we can say that starting from an intern, they are now the mitochondria of this whole
Absolutely.
powerhouse.
And they have given so much to the place. I have absolutely no words to describe how much value they have added to the place. I can be absolutely carefree even if I'm not there. Recently I took a vacation for a week.
Mhm.
I didn't come. I was suffering from a bit of cold.
Mhm.
I said better not go out
Mhm.
and better not let it escalate.
Mhm.
So I took a vacation, and the studio is going to keep running because these people are there. They care for the place. They care for the studio. And when I am doing something, they will overstep my ownership of the place, and they'll tell me that this is something that we can do better for
Okay.
our place.
Okay.
And this our place thing is something that matters the most.
Exactly.
So there are seriously some things that money can't buy, and even MasterCards can't buy.
Yeah.
True. True.
Thank you so much for this interview, because these are the only sweet words you are going to hear from me.
Yeah.
For this interview only. Okay. This talk doesn't happen off camera.
Yeah.
So really, thank you so much.
So maybe you can thank him right now.
Thanks.
Yeah.
No, it is still thank you.
Yeah.
क्योंकि क्रेडिट मुझे मिलेगा तो खाना कैसे हजम होगा?
Well, but of course, Amay has opened his doors to us. His criticism, whatever he said, there were many people who were criticizing me. Thanks to those people, thanks to Amay, thanks to all my teachers also, even Harshad, because we, as he said, the sweet words, it's not the sweet words that create you, it's the constructive criticism that creates you all the time. Like 4 गालियाँ दो पर क्या गलत हो रहा है वो बताओ.
We are very brutal about it.
Yeah, and we are clean about
Very
it.
brutal.
Yeah, because honestly, even I feel the same. Like करेला खिलाओ, sugar मत खिलाओ.
हाँ.
Health अच्छा रहेगा.
Exactly.
So moving ahead, after like just he told that lockdown has given one thing which was like a lot of thought process.
Yeah.
बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ सोचना चालू किया. And here my friend Kaustubh plays a role because he has thought something, and now it is coming to place where it is actually going to come out towards the people. So I will not tell it exactly what it is. I want you to tell to the audience exactly क्या ऐसा है जो आपके सोच के वजह से बाहर आने वाला है जल्दी.
So basically किस्सा ऐसा है कि जैसे ही लॉकडाउन हुआ ना, तो बहुत सारे दोस्त है ना अपने अपने स्टेट्स में चले गए. एंड आई एम अ स्टूडेंट एट यूनिवर्सिटी राइट नाउ. आई एम डूइंग माय SYs राइट. एंड तो ऐसा हुआ ना, काफ़ी सारे दोस्त अपने अपने स्टेट्स में वगैरह चले गए. एंड जस्ट अ थॉट कि लोग दूर जा रहे, मिल नहीं पा रहे किसी को भी. एंड इन दिस केस फिलोसॉफिकली भी कैसे होता है कनेक्ट कि लोगों का मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है ना कुछ तो कभी कभी कि जस्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं होता है. एंड देयर आर जस्ट 2 words दैट couldn't come out and सामने वाला बंदा नहीं सुन पाता है. तो दिस डिस्टेंस or any distance in the relation, this can be spoken out.
Okay.
And I just sat down and wrote the song, made my sister and mom hear it, and called up Sumedh and made him hear it. And लिखा गाना. And so basically गाना आ रहा है वो शहर. So it is about my city, and it is not just my city, now it is everyone's city. So
Okay.
that is how the idea came in. After once the 3 months were like at the end, we started the studio slowly and steadily. I came down to अमय सुनना यार एक गाना लिखा है मैंने for the first time. I'm not sure, सुन के देख कैसे लग रहा है, अगर अच्छा लगे तो करते हैं, नहीं तो I'll just scrap it off, देखते हैं जो भी.
Yeah, true.
And I came to Amay, and I think Amay will like to continue. क्या हुआ उसके बाद?
The poor fellow, for God knows what reason, was literally shivering when he wanted, because I told you about the brutal criticism. So, okay, so let me put this nicely without including anything in the interview that is in a bad taste. Okay? So whenever I don't like something, and whenever, obviously you're very careful not to offend people, but these people, I don't think I'll be able to offend them anymore. We have, as friends, gone beyond that line
Beyond
of
offended, yeah.
feeling offended. So whenever I don't like something, especially when it comes to music, because I'm very sensitive to, absorbing something good. So when I don't like something, I start off with a hard, and whatever else, I can't mention whatever follows.
I heard beep, 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 and so further. True. Okay.
So he was shivering. He expected a hard. But then I listened to the song, and I started off with A, and he's like, what? Arey, actually चांगला है. It's good, and it is years of him listening to good music and playing the guitar. Although he won't mention it, he plays some pretty good guitar.
Yes.
Pretty good guitar.
Okay.
So years of that coming into this song, and I said, चांगलं आहे रे. कोण गाणार? हे गायगा कौन गाना है?
Exactly.
So he's like, okay, I'm not that good of a singer. That's what he said.
Which is true. Which is true. Come on. Harshal will start running right away if I start singing.
So he says, कौन गाना? I said, गाना अच्छा है, मैं गाऊँ क्या? मैं बोला गाऊँ क्या? गा तेरा ही.
Exactly.
And that is how so वो शहर, he mentioned some very good things about the song. My experience with the song is that it is the शहर that is in your heart.
Okay.
It may be any शहर. It may be all good things from all the different places in your lives where you've been to or experienced. It is a culmination of all the lovely places, experiences, memories and feelings. वो शहर आपके दिल में जो बसा है वो शहर.
Okay.
be it anything,
Okay.
and anybody on the planet can connect to it.
Okay. So we
That's
can
the beauty
say
of
that
the
it is kind of the city of the heart.
Lyrics are brilliant, हाँ.
Yes.
Lyrics are absolutely brilliant,
Okay.
and
So here actually not just one but two but three people are kind of doing debut, which I can say because he told me behind the cameras that first time he's making so big scale pe song, and you are also coming with a Hindi lyric song after a long
after
time.
a very long.
And he has first time wrote a song and first time I think produced the song.
I've produced for other artists. I haven't
No, but
produced
for
for myself.
yourself?
For myself, I'm producing for the first time.
Okay, so actually I want to ask you what was your experience while making this song, because you told me a lot of things like you have to hurry a lot and you got like what kind of support and all, like how it all went.
So about वो शहर का जर्नी तो आई वुड रियली से इट वाज अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड, बिकॉज जब भी पहली बार मुझे कौस्तुभ ने गाना सुना था आई वाज लाइक कि हाँ करते हैं इसको, बहुत अच्छा गाना है, क्या करना है. सो वी स्टार्टेड टू डू द सॉन्ग और फिर इसने बोला कि इसका वीडियो करना है. सो अगर वीडियो करना है तो पहले दिमाग में है कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. इसे सिर्फ म्यूजिशियंस के साथ बैठ के उसे you just record it and then edit it and you upload it. So जब भी मैंने सुना सॉन्ग तो आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं देयर हैज टू बी अ स्टोरी टू इट. इसको स्टोरी चाहिए, देयर हैज टू बी एक्टर्स, देयर हैज टू बी समथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम म्यूजिशियंस इन दिस सॉन्ग. सो देन ही केम अप टू मी एंड ही इज लाइक कि तुझे सुन के क्या लग रहा है. सो आई वाज लाइक मैंने गाना सुना, मुझे सिर्फ दो ही चीज़ें समझ आ रही है यहाँ पे कि देयर इज मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड देयर इज मिसिंग समवन.
Okay.
सो हम लोग
बेसिकली लगे पड़े.
हाँ. और देन वी एंड ही वाज आस्किंग मी टू राइट अ स्टोरी फ्रॉम आई गेस 2 months. आई वाज फाइंडिंग अ स्टोरी फॉर वो शेयर फॉर 2 months. 2 महीने से हम लोग सिर्फ नहीं ये नहीं आ रहा है, ये नहीं आ रहा है, रिजेक्ट. कम से कम 20-30 आइडियाज तो हम लोग ने ऐसे ही रिजेक्ट कर दिए वीडियो के लिए. एंड देन व्हेन वी फाइनली हैड द स्टोरी, हम लोग सब ऐसे अमय हैड टीयर्स इन हिज आईज.
I had a lump in my throat when he told me the end of the story.
Okay.
सो वही था कि मतलब एक तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ था कि बीच में मतलब गाना बनने के प्रोसेस में देयर वाज अ 1.5 months गैप जहाँ गाने के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था. मतलब रिकॉर्डिंग एक टाइम पे स्टॉप हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजंस. तो हम लोग का एक्चुअली लगा था कि ये होगा नहीं होगा, इसका क्या होगा आगे जाके. हम लोग ने भी इसके बारे में सोचना बंद कर दिया था, लेकिन वो होना ही था.
This is same kind of a situation where we the who make videos on YouTube.
हाँ.
कोई तो एक concept रहता है and थोड़ी दिन बाद it's like okay वो चला जाता है concept
Exactly.
completely. वापस कोई तो अरे ते होतं करायचं.
हाँ.
हाँ मग that happens. Exactly.
सो
Okay.
वो तो था ही, लेकिन फिर वापस से उसका रिकॉर्डिंग रिज्यूम हुआ एंड देन वी एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड टू थिंकिंग अबाउट वो शहर. और उसके बाद फिर उसका प्लानिंग, देन राइटिंग द स्क्रिप्ट एंड देन मेकिंग द टीम, फिर प्लानिंग एंड गोइंग आउट फॉर रिहर्सल्स, शूटिंग एंड नाउ इट्स इन एडिटिंग. सो यहाँ तक का
Then they
process-
found top rate actors. Top
I
class.
will come to the actors later. But actually
The musicians.
yeah.
सो बहुत चैलेंजेस को फेस जाना पड़ा. मतलब शूटिंग परमिशंस से लेके फिर अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ आवर डीओपी, कोई म्यूजिशियंस और सब लोग ऑलमोस्ट काम कर रहे हैं. सो सबका अवेलेबिलिटी देखना और एक्चुअली शूट्स के डेट्स थोड़े से हम लोग ने पहले रखे थे, उनको थोड़ा पुश करना. एंड वी फेस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस ड्यूरिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ दिस होल सॉन्ग.
शूट के 2 दिन पहले डेट्स चेंज हो गए.
हाँ 2 दिन मतलब परसों शूट होने वाला है और डेट्स चेंज हो गया. हमें पता चला कि लोकेशन अवेलेबल ही नहीं है.
अरे.
नहीं, परसों भी नहीं,
परसों.
1 night before.
Not
One
one.
night
Yeah,
before.
the one night before.
हाँ.
We understood
Okay,
One night before.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So Amay gets a call और फिर हम लोग the day we had rehearsals, we had final blockings, on location blockings. So blockings करने के बाद हम लोग सब थक के आके बैठे. हम लोग चल चाय पी के आता हूँ ऊपर जाके. So I went up and I was having tea. ये फोन करता है, तू किधर है? लाइक मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ.
मैं बोला मैं ऊपर आ रहा हूँ.
मैं ऊपर बस इतना ही बोला. मैंने फोन कर, इसको भी चाय पीना रहेगा, कट करके रख दिया फोन. ये आता बोलता है ब्रो देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम एंड देन ही एक्सप्लेन मी द प्रॉब्लम एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है
Literally boom.
करना क्या है अभी, ऐसा बट फाइनली शूट हो गया.
Kaustubh is a very edgy fellow in these matters and he was recording somebody.
Okay.
And हम लोग ने सबने डिस्कस भी किया. We planned other dates.
हाँ.
like, कौस्तुभ को बताने का कैसे है?
एग्जैक्टली ऐसा था कि ओके ये प्रॉब्लम ठीक है, कौस्तुभ को कैसे बताया.
Level 1 was कि ठीक है वो अंडरस्टैंड करके
हाँ.
खुद डाइजेस्ट करना,
We
but
can reschedule
level
it.
2 was like level X was कौस्तुभ को कैसे बताया?
क्योंकि if he flips and if he can't handle the emotional overload ना, एंड हम लोग का दूसरा प्रॉब्लम था कि कौस्तुभ को बताएंगे, उसके बाद ये घर नहीं जाने देगा किसी को यार, रात भर इधर रुकना पड़ेगा फिर.
I'm kind of I flip at times. I don't do that regularly, but then जब भी होता है तभी मैं सच में इमोशनली अटैच रहता हूँ यार ऐसी चीजों से कि मैं निकल जाता हूँ.
Can understand. आणि I can surely say that it's like birth child for you. It's coming from
for everybody. For everybody.
हाँ,
everybody.
but थोड़ा बहुत और ज्यादा close relation रहेगा
नहीं,
kind
उससे
of.
भी ज्यादा ना, आई थिंक इसका फर्स्ट प्रोडक्शन है. मैंने पहले प्रोडक्शंस किए हैं, हर्षद ने पहले प्रोडक्शंस किए देखे, तो ये चीजें होती हैं यार, एंड यू कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट.
Exactly. But exactly how to react to it might be not. It's okay. Can understand the
that
situation.
second one thing happened कि ये लोग ने मुझे बताया and I was recording someone and once the recording ended I was like, okay, dates ठरलेत next. Okay, dates ठरलेत. Cool, let's go with that. I'm fine.
We were
and
pleasantly surprised.
I'll tell you why this happened. When I started off the song, like wrote it, then I made him hear that song. Harshad ने सुना, सब लोग ने सुना. All the artists that I worked along with were my pillars. Like
Okay.
they had been a very very strong support for me. Everyone, I like to mention all the names. Dishant, Ashish, Nigel. The Amay has played piano also for the song.
Wow.
And
वो
I'll
तो
say-
ऐसे ही हो जाता है
Yeah. So and one more like it's a dream come true कि my teacher is also playing guitar in this song.
Wow.
So these all people, Harshad's whole team have been की नाही कौस्तुभ दादा आम्ही आहोत, कौस्तुभ मी आहे तुझ्या बरोबर, तू बघ काय जे काय होईल जे काय लागेल, we are here for you.
लॉजिस्टिक्स वालों प्लीज टिश्यू पेपर देना.
हाँ. So no, but this is true. ये लोग है करके I am able to survive by far because it was really really difficult carrying like this big production team together and making this song happen.
So while making this song, he was like, "अरे तुम लोगों को पे का," and then I started off with the A hard and the usual thing.
Can understand.
It is our song.
Exactly. Then why?
It is absolutely our song.
complete. Completely. Now, as you were talking about acting thing, I will ask Harshad, what challenges you faced while making the singers and the musician people act? Because I am not sure about musicians acting well, but I am sure about actors.
Yeah.
That's why.
Where's my
So
face?
making them act was not difficult for me. The real challenges for me, मतलब जब भी मैंने गाना सुना ना और जब भी वीडियो का कॉन्सेप्ट दिमाग में चल रहा था, जब भी मैंने उसको पूरा लिखा, तो आई न्यू देर आर ओनली 2 challenges. फर्स्ट लोकेशन, वहाँ पे फटाफट शूट करके रैप करना एंड मेकिंग दिस पीपल एक्ट.
Okay.
सो उसके बारे में तो मतलब फॉर फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम लोकेशन के लिए तो आई मेड माई टीम रेडी. मतलब सेट पे एक्चुअल शूट करने के मतलब एट द डे ऑफ प्रिंसिपल फोटोग्राफी माई टीम न्यू कि ये लोकेशन पे जाने के बाद फर्स्ट क्या करना है और लास्ट क्या करना है. सो आई हैड इट डन पहले ही बिकॉज आई न्यू ये प्रॉब्लम्स आने वाले हैं.
क्योंकि
Kind of
time
scheduled
कम
it
था.
completely.
Yeah, I scheduled. It was like a script. I wrote a script of that entire day.
Okay.
सुबह इधर जाएंगे and ये सब करेंगे. That was done. And making these people act, so मैंने इतना ही बोला उन लोगों को. It's मतलब ऐसा लगेगा कि ज़्यादा कुछ मैंने इतना बोला कि trust me, just trust me. मैं जो करने को बोलूँगा ना बस करो, just trust me. इतना ही बोला and they did a fantastic job. मतलब कुछ जो ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं ना ऐसे टशन विशन वाले सीन्स है ना सॉन्ग में, they have done it really nice.
Actually, moving ahead, I want to ask Amay ki I know your song gives a lot of vibes. Like you also enjoy your songs a lot. I have seen them. Like normally artists अपने song enjoy करते हैं नहीं करते हैं पता नहीं, but you enjoy your lot. And here comes the point of vibes. And I want to know वो शहर से कौन सा वाला vibes people will get. Like people should expect usually what you according to you.
वो शहर से इतने नॉस्टैल्जिया वाइब्स आने वाले हैं लोगों को, और ये रिलीज जिस टाइम पे हो रहा है ना, यूजुअली दिस मंथ इज अ विंटर मंथ वेयर यू नो द टेम्परेचर गेट्स कूलर, यू हैव मोर सेलिब्रेशंस एंड मोर people come together, be it virtually this year. They will come together and they will share stories, especially during the last Christmas and New Year week. People will share stories and memories. And this song is absolutely going to take them down memory lanes and into all the cherished memories, some bitter memories, but sometimes memories are bittersweet.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
They are sad, but then the sadness is therapeutic sometimes.
Yeah, true.
That is the vibe of the song. And when I heard the lyrics from him, when I heard the song, it hit me once. And when this guy told me the story, it hit home. You know, so this is a personal favorite of mine.
True.
This song, close to my heart.
Okay.
And you talked about enjoying your art or enjoying whatever you do. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, you absolutely have no right to expect that people will
Yeah, that
enjoy
thing
or
to
like
work
it.
out, to be honest.
Yeah.
Exactly. And like I have seen you, you enjoy a lot, and that's what makes me happy while watching it. Because एक चीज समझ में आता है कि अगर तुम जो कर रहे हो ना, वो तुम्हारे आउटपुट में अगर तुम एंजॉय नहीं करोगे ना, तो तुम लोग को उसका फील ही नहीं आएगा.
और अगर तुम नहीं एंजॉय कर रहे हो तो कर क्यों रहे हो यार?
क्यों रहे? Exactly. Then don't do it. That's what I get the vibe completely. And after watching your few videos, like,
And it has to be 200%.
yeah,
It should not be हाँ दिखाने के लिए लोगों को ऐसे ये किया. No.
no.
So orchestrated performances is something I don't like at all. जो कभी कभी कोच करते वक्त भी लोग बोलते हैं कि तुम्हारा गाना अच्छा है, अब परफॉर्म करो. अरे परफॉर्म करो क्या? परफॉर्म होना चाहिए वो.
But what I was actually wanted to know, like,
हाँ.
can you elaborate the word orchestrated performance, like, for the audience, if you can?
बहुत बार ऐसे होता है, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू कन्वेंशनल फॉर्म्स ऑफ म्यूजिक, की ऑडियंस को दिखना चाहिए कि आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो.
Okay.
तो आप ये कीजिए,
Okay.
या फिर आप ऐसे ये कीजिए. अरे पर ये डेलिबरेटली करने की चीजें नहीं है.
Exactly.
When you watch Bhimsen Joshi performing on tape, on videos, when you watch Elvis Presley, or when you watch anybody, all the greats, they haven't had to take any conscious effort to pull the crowd in.
Exactly.
It should be an extension of your musicality, whatever you're doing on stage. You can perfect your art. You want to include a few moves, a few dance steps to make it look better. Yes, I understand the garnishing part of it, but the enjoyment should be, or the involvement should be from within, and it
Okay.
should be 200%. So जो बोलते हैं ना, अरे अभी आपको परफॉर्मेंस एलिमेंट लाना है, वो लाना पड़ रहा है, मतलब आपका म्यूजिकल एलिमेंट मेरे हम्बल ओपिनियन में थोड़ा वीक है. क्योंकि वो लाना क्यों पड़ रहा है आपको? वो आना चाहिए, लाना नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. समथिंग यू कांट get off a shelf.
And that's not at all 100% also. That's what I feel. That's somewhere 50 or like maybe less.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And about the shoot now, just to add to his point, मेरा ब्रीफ अमय को सिर्फ इतना ही था कि गाना गा. किसी को भी अगर यहाँ पे अगर अभी मैं यहाँ पे हूँ तो मैं ज्यादा सॉन्ग्स ही शूट कर रहा हूँ. सो व्हेनेवर समबडी आस्क मी कि क्या करूँ, तो मैं बोलता गाना पूरा गाओ. मतलब जैसे तुम लोग रिकॉर्डिंग को गाते हो ना, वैसे गाओ. मेरा उतना ही ब्रीफ रहता है. सो वो शहर के लिए भी इसको यही बोला था कि तू गाना पूरा गा. मतलब हम लोग पीपल दे लिप सिंक, तो लिप सिंक करते समय सिर्फ होठ हिलाते एंड देयर इज नो वॉइस कमिंग आउट. सो मैं बोलता वो मत करो. डोंट ऐसा सिर्फ लिप्स को मूवमेंट मत दो, पूरा गाना गाओ. उससे ऑथेंटिसिटी ज्यादा आता है वीडियो.
Because then you can see on the video somebody's throat stretching when they are singing it, or when somebody is playing it. तो हमारे ड्रमर को जय को हमने कहा था कि don't mind playing the drums, just play the
Play the
drums.
drums.
Okay.
Again,
And-
someone I did not mention earlier, Jay.
Hmm.
So again, he was one of the person who has been like, कि कौस्तुभ ये तो करना है bro. This has to go out because this is something that has come from inside. Again, what Amay said, the art that has come out from inside, from the soul, will always connect. So orchestration of something is,
एंड इट इज नॉट टाइम बाउंड.
Yeah.
ये इन ट्रेंड आउट ऑफ ट्रेंड ना, ये कॉस्मेटिक चीजों के लिए होता है.
Yeah, true.
बिकॉज
And trend is temporary, I think. Like
trends
it's way
go
too much
and
temporary.
trends come.
Come, exactly.
Art always remains.
इफ कौस्तुभ रिमेम्बर्स एंड ये दोनों को भी मैंने बोला था कि डोंट डू इट अनलेस यू आर फुल्ली कन्विंस्ड विद इट.
Hmm.
मतलब विद द स्टोरी
Hmm.
ऑफ वो शेयर आई वाज फुल्ली कन्विंस्ड
Okay.
कि ओके दिस इज द स्टोरी दैट आई वांट टू डू. अब ये मेरा पर्सनल चीज हो गया
Hmm.
कि मुझे ये अभी स्टोरी करना है,
करना
नॉट
है.
फॉर सम कि हाँ ये स्टोरी है, ये स्क्रिप्ट है, इसे करना है.
Hmm.
सो या इन लोगों के लिए काम करते समय मतलब कमर्शियली तो भी आई डू जो मतलब आई हैव टू डू
Whatever the client asks
एग्जैक्टली
for.
या
Hmm.
लेकिन जब हम तीनों काम करते हैं तो झगड़ा हो जाएगा, हम लोग मारेंगे एक दूसरे को, बट वी वांट टू डिलीवर व्हाट वी बिलीव.
Hmm.
हाँ अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं मतलब मेरा कुछ अलग बिलीफ है और उन दोनों को वो नहीं मतलब जम रहा है, सो दे विल कन्विंस मी एंड आई विल ओनली डू इट व्हेन आई एम फुल्ली कन्विंस्ड विद इट.
Yeah,
So that's what I think is very important.
exactly.
We had
When
lot
you're
of
doing
discussion.
it-
Me and Harsha,
We had
lot of
lots
discussion.
of discussion.
No, this story is not working out. We need something different.
Hmm.
This is something different because first few stories were as it was about misunderstandings. We spoke about misunderstandings,
Yeah.
and we were like, what will convey? Again, people, there is no one misunderstanding or
Hmm.
there is no one distance.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
There can be anything.
And it's not just boy girl.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
just something, one thing you can relate. Every person will be able to relate to it on their own terms.
Okay.
It's a customizable song, you know.
Hmm.
In that sense, you can absolutely take it for whatever you want to connect it to.
Okay. Now, speaking about studio, what I actually want to know is what is going to be the future of One Stop Music? Like, what is the upcoming plan? In short, if you can share with us.
We are planning to make it more niche for a reason that it remains accessible to people, but at the same time it caters to people who believe in absolute quality, be it technical quality, be it musical integrity and everything. So we are taking it on to the corporate level. We are already in touch with some corporate firms for their contracts and stuff like that. And it is going to expand into a bigger audio and video production place. And it sort of is going to be in its own place, where it may not be a general sort of place where anybody who wants to
Come and do their work. Like
do their work, they can't do it unless their project is of that quality.
Okay.
Anybody can come in and record, yes, but then your project should be of that stature and that
exactly.
quality, because we can no longer drop our standards of working.
Exactly. एक लेवल पे लेके लेके गए हैं,
हाँ.
तो वो ऊपर लेके जाना है, नीचे
हाँ, तो
नहीं.
अभी उससे नीचे तो आ नहीं सकते.
Yes, exactly.
तो यस, एवरीबडी इज वेलकम, बट देन आपका प्रोजेक्ट फिर वैसे होना चाहिए.
Yes, there will be for sure a verification.
डू यू
kind
गाइस
of-
अग्री विद?
Yeah,
Of course,
100%.
हाँ.
Yes, Sandeep.
Yeah.
Why would they deny? No one would deny on this.
Yeah.
नहीं, ये मैंने अभी ये खुलासा मैंने अभी ये इंटरव्यू में किया है, जस्ट कि वी आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स मेकिंग इट मोर निश, एक्सपैंडिंग यस, बट देन बिजनेस के थोड़ा सा ऊपर ही, इट साउंड्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज, बट बिजनेस के एक लेवल ऊपर ही म्यूजिकलिटी एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स रहेगा.
Okay.
क्योंकि बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड वी आर इन अ सिचुएशन वेयर we have food, clothing and shelter.
Exactly.
So we don't want to compromise the musicality and the integrity of art when it comes to earning money. Everyone wants to earn money, but not at some compromises, not
Yes.
at the cost of
Exactly.
some compromises that we can't do.
Very good. Well, I am so glad that you are specifying this, like one which you love the most, that is going to be more priority instead of money. जहाँ पे at the current situation you don't find people doing this thing more often, maybe because they might be not having enough of money, or maybe
हाँ,
some
and
other
to
reason.
each one his own, you know.
Yeah.
Anyone, everybody is free to do what they want. This is what we have consciously chosen. It has its drawbacks, and we are aware of the drawbacks.
Yeah.
And we are willing to bear with the drawbacks.
Drop. Exactly. Moving ahead, I will once again come back to the music. I think the music is going to be released on
11th December.
11th of December.
Yes.
So, one thing special memory which you can tell us about the music video before or during shooting the video, anything.
Yeah, definitely. When as I said that we used to discuss a lot about the script and everything. I was just concerned that how will things happen, and as he said, just trust me, Kaustuv. Whatever happens, just do what I say, because that statement stands. All as a composer or a lyrics writer, I understand is I have seen a vision. Now, how will this happen? Was up to him. And on the day of shoot, I have seen everyone taking so many efforts and so tired. So there is a point after lot of work कि भूख ही नहीं लगती. दोपहर का खाना है, everyone is just lying around so tired, and I had to tell everyone कि चलो खाओ. But ये सब होने के बाद भी एक इवनिंग का शूट टाइम था. Everyone was up and ready to shoot while I was sleeping there. I was tired really, and like, I was awake the whole night because of I was mixing the track and I was working on it, editing the track, and I slept. Harshad and Amay said one thing: let him sleep. Everything will be taken care of, and they did it all. They took the shots. They took care of everything.
Here where the trust actually
Yeah,
takes
yeah.
place and works actually.
So I'm thankful to Amay and Harshad and the whole team. Kedar Patil.
Kedar Patil.
Kedar Patil is the newest addition to our team. at
And he is
OSM.
in, huh? There is no way out.
So he is in. It's like as Hotel California has stated.
Yeah, but this is not a haunted.
Yeah, no, of course this is not a haunted place. Yeah.
This is a place where you will find a lot of dogs.
Yeah.
Nothing haunted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Kedar Patil was the newest addition to the team, and Kedar has worked. Kedar being the he has been my friend for a long time, but we hadn't worked together. I told Harshad that there's this friend of mine, and let's talk to him. We spoke to him, and he's like, okay, I'm in. Let's go. And he joined, and I think these both have seen Harshad and Kedar have seen my image through. When you will watch the music video, you'll understand that.
Okay.
They have planned it really well. And they've worked it really well.
And there is Siddhant also.
Yeah. So Siddhant, Mayuresh.
Mayuresh.
Yes. So Mayuresh being the associate director of this music video, he has worked a lot. He has travelled all the way from suburbs, and he has come here. He stayed here for 2 days stretch, and he worked really hard. Seeing it that director's image is taken care of. Whatever he's saying has to be done. Yes, kept the discipline on the set. Siddhant, he's not from the music industry. He's a complete audience when it comes to music, and he used to be like, no, Kaustuv, this has to be this way. This is what they'll understand. Try and understand the side of the audience. He has taken care of. मुझे promotions करने हैं. I have to work so hard, and you guys have to work with me. He has kept us on our feet all the time.
He always does that.
Yeah, he'll call up at like 2 o'clock in the night, and he'll be like, Kaustuv, I'm working right now. I need this. I don't know where you'll arrange it from. I just need this, and he'll work. And that is where you see the dedication.
Now this happened 2 days ago. So he's suffering from a swelling in his mouth. Okay. And he handles my personal digital PR too.
Okay.
And I said, and we were supposed to meet because we were supposed to replan the coming 6 months and plan the release of all the other stuff along with Moshe. And he wasn't well at all. He was in a very
To the point where he couldn't speak.
He couldn't speak. So I told him.
Pathetic, which we
Yeah.
can say in
हाँ.
one word. Okay.
So I said, Siddhant, हम लोग कल मिलते हैं. And he couldn't speak. He just managed to, because of the swelling in his mouth, because of ulcers, he couldn't speak, and he managed to mumble out, no, I have promised, we have to plan this. I'm coming there, be it only for 20 minutes, but I'm coming there.
Wow.
And that's the level of commitment.
Dedication, commitment, and after all this, one term comes which is known as trust. You have actually developed trust after you see people working so hard.
At OSM team, you will know one thing, as you said, rebel, but rebel not without a cause, with a cause. हमेशा कि everyone in the team has one thing in common. We have spine. We speak out words that we believe in, and whatever we speak, we believe. Like we do it.
And
It's like
we
walk
carry
the
it
talk.
through. We carry it through to the end.
Yeah.
Great. Now, actually, after all this, I actually want to ask Amay one thing. That do you think Kaustubh should keep on writing more and more songs?
Of course, हमें और गाने गाने भी हैं.
Because
और shoot
नहीं
करना
नहीं, but written by Kaustubh. That's what I am.
Yeah.
Because
100%.
like even though you might expect a herd, but still you.
Yeah. So this, as I said, this was first song I've been playing since 2007, and I never could write a song. I could write poem, I could write shairi, but writing a song is a very different ball game altogether. And I was like, "Amma, मी poems लिहिलेत पण यांना lyrics काय? म्हणजे I don't understand. What do I do?" And then one fine day I come, अरे अमय मी ना गाणं लिहिलंय रे, ऐक ना प्लीज, मला माहितीये 2 वाजलेत आपल्याला निघायचं, पण एक ऐक आणि जा. And then everything else happened.
No, he should definitely keep writing. In fact, everyone listening to this, watching this, should do what they feel like doing. Yeah, you cannot restrict yourself by thinking about what people will think of you. So if you want to write, yes, go ahead and write. If you want to sing, compose, if you want to do anything, you want to ride a bike at top speed, go ahead, do it. You simply have to do it. And now comes the tricky part. Doing it with sense in it.
True.
You may edit this out of the interview later, but and you haven't asked this, but this has come.
Yeah.
This has segued into what I'm going to say.
What?
What I see these days is people are doing things. People are, they have their opinion, but that opinion has very little foundation to it. Okay. I have heard statements like, so what if I can't sing well or play well? I have a right to make music. Wait, hold on. A doctor cannot say this. So what if I cannot operate well? I have a right to conduct a surgery. No,
Exactly.
you don't.
No, you don't. Yeah, you don't.
So do things with a very strong foundation, do things with a very clear vision. And obviously this is my personal opinion, this is an opinion that we share. This may not be the absolute holy grail or truth.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
People can deny it. But then this is our opinion. Doing everything with a very strong basis is important, and you respect what you do. You don't sing or you don't make music to score chicks.
Exactly.
Please.
Exactly. Nice. This is one line which everyone should surely check out or make
Huh.
it down in their brain.
And score chicks fine, but don't use this as a tool to do just that.
tool थोड़ी है, eventually it has to come if it is going to be the worth.
हाँ.
Then it has to happen. उसमें वो-
4 chords बजा के मैं खुद को जिमी हेंड्रिक्स नहीं बोल सकता.
Exactly. Wow.
But there are people who do that, and we have seen this, and this has again, so something that is without foundation, it's just fragile.
Okay.
Even the belief. Okay, I'll say कि मैं बहुत अच्छा गाता हूँ. I'll go in front of the mic. I'll say बाकी तुम सब संभाल लो. फिर where did your art come from? Where is your belief? Where did it go? You were believing that you had.
We have
you were
had
an artist.
people, exactly why we are making it more niches, we have had people coming into the studio
Mhm.
absolutely not singing either in pitch or in rhythm.
Mhm.
So there is no timing to the rhythm and there is no pitch. And I am proud to say that we have some of the best equipment here to record.
Yeah.
Some of the industry leading equipment here to record. And then these people come and say, नहीं वो आपके माइक के वजह से ना मेरा
अरे,
आवाज नहीं आ
अरे,
रहा.
अरे,
अरे
नाचता येईना अंगण वाकडे.
हो
एकदम perfect.
अगदी. आणि म्हणून आम्हाला ते ज्यांना नाचायचे त्यांनाच आपण जरा क्युरेट करूनच घेऊ.
Exactly. म्हणजे there will be a filter paper, but that filter paper is necessary. That's what I think.
I think it is necessary in people's conscience now
And it is not
more
just
than
about
anything.
music, about
Everything.
everything in the world.
It is not just
Everything.
about music.
Everything. Now, moving ahead, I actually wanted to know about your routine because I have seen a lot of. Okay, so moving to the end of this video, I just want you to perform in front of us anything which you have composed?
So my music is broadly divided into these three solo projects or bands of mine, if you will. The Karmics is the newest edition. It's about Hindi originals and Hindi covers that we do in our own way. Vyom is my Marathi rock band in which we do covers and originals in Marathi, and the Rock Roads project is old school classic rock blues band where we cover AC/DC and Deep Purple and all the good stuff, all the good vintage stuff that we like, and we have originals. So आत्ता मी व्योमचं एक माझं लेटेस्ट रिलीज गातो जे आम्ही या गणपतीमध्ये रिलीज केलं, हे बाप्पा मोरया, त्याचा एक छोटासा पार्ट. तूच विश्वाचा रक्षण करता विघ्नेश्वरा, साऱ्या सृष्टीचा पालन करता लंबोदरा. तूच विश्वाचा रक्षण करता विघ्नेश्वरा, साऱ्या सृष्टीचा पालन करता लंबोदरा. किती सांगू रे महिमा तुझा, गाऊ किती गाथा, चरणी लीन रे आम्ही तुझ्या ठेवी तो माथा. करण्या उद्धार भक्तांचा देवा गणेशा होया, करण्या कल्याण जगताचे देवा गणेशा होया. हे मोरया 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 मोरया, हे बाप्पा मोरया 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 मोरया, हे बाप्पा मोरया 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 मोरया, हे बाप्पा मोरया.
So thanks a lot for actually, allowing me to come here inside this jam room and record. Because it is so honor to, get an opportunity to record with you guys. Because I have done my videos, like we have done approximately 12 episodes by today. And actually speaking, I haven't expected this to happen. Thanks a lot to the One Stop Studios to happen.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was a pleasure.
This is a therapy. This interview has been a therapy for all three of us.
Yeah.
Really.
And it was completely fun talking with you guys. I've never expected. मैं बहुत डर रहा था ये record करने से पहले because ए hard वाला feeling मेरे को पहले से आ गया.
ये मेरा reputation खराब करके छोड़ने वाला है.
No kidding, but ए hard वाला feeling क्योंकि senior, but obviously experience का एक seniority रहता है जो दिखता है. That was the reason. So thanks a lot, and I would like to say thank you to the Lone Wolf also.
Thank you so much.
Because and all the best for
Thank
the
you so
song release.
I'm
And-
just before we go ahead, I'm really sorry we did not mention one very important person who has designed our single art.
Yeah.
Prajakta Koshe, she has done an amazing job with it. Go check it out. It
Yeah.
is on our Insta handles.
That's
we'll
the Wo
share-
Sheher poster.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the
official
poster. She
poster of
has
Wo Sheher.
completely given justice to whatever the video says, whatever the song says, and I couldn't have expected anything less from her. She has done
I
an
can
amazing job.
100% I can definitely say that वो शहर पूरा क्या है वो शहर वो एक पोस्टर
पोस्टर में उसने किया है.
Yes.
Seriously.
Wow.
Seriously.
So, guys, as I was saying, कि all the links will be mentioned down below in the description box. हर एक का इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल से लेके जिन का नाम यहाँ पे मेंशन किया है उनका जितना भी लिंक्स पॉसिबल होता है आई विल मेंशन डाउन बिलो. श्योर गो एंड चेक आउट. श्योर मेक देम अ डीएम कि हम लोग ने वी केम थ्रू दिस वीडियो एंड just tell them about the song. The song is going to be released on 11th of December, and so please make sure you check out the song and have fun, and also why not make covers on it, make acoustic version of it. They will be surely happy to listen to all this.
Absolutely.
So moving to the end, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here and you have watched this video till here, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we are making great awesome content for you guys very soon. And there is no going to be a full stop over here because this is going to be a big experience for me. And make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and all those music lovers and any content creating lovers so that they will also understand कि कितना मेहनत रहता है हर एक चीज़ में डेवलप करने को. And also I would like to thank a lot to the Banana Studios and Too Much Official, because they have also helped me a lot behind the cameras and at many very possible so thank you so much for watching this video. Please once again do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.